Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys a Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable gestures navigation mode on Realme phone. Friends, you want to enable your gesture setting, so how to enable and use gesture setting on Realme phone. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Realme phone tool setting. Friends, click on navigation setting. Friends, you can see swipe gesture from both side. Friends, you want to enable your gesture setting guys, you can enable from here, tap here friends. Friends, your gesture navigation setting will enable, and friends now you cannot use friends your three button navigation friends. Three button navigation will remove on screen, and friends you can use this gesture setting. So how to use friends, you are in display setting. So friends, you want to back friends, you can back a right, and left side friends you can back left, and right side guys big and back. Friends, you want to close app, you can close app like that on your Realme phone device. So friends, you can use this gesture setting on your phone. And friends, you can enable the shortcut setting also, direct search here and navigation setting guys. Navigation setting friends, direct click here, direct friends you can enable your gesture setting. Friends, you want to use your button navigation, so you can use from here. So I want to use guys gesture setting, I will enable gesture navigation, right side back, left side back, and close app. So I hope friends you understood how to enable and use gesture navigation on Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood. So that's it guys. Friends, before going please go and like the video and subscribe the channel guys.